Owen's after Emery. You come help him, sis? He's stuck. He can't chase you when he gets stuck. Oh, here he comes. Oh, you're going to get her, Bubba. Oh, stuck. What are you chasing, Emery?
I can help you.
He can't come any further. He's stuck.
You can hit him.
Why don't you guys go the other way? Ready? I'm going to put him this way. Ready? Oop. Go get Emery, Bubba.
Where are you going?
Daddy kind of trying to chase me.
You? Don't try to chase you.
Yeah, he was.
Where you going, buddy?
Where you go?
Where are you going?
You can't go that way. Hi, Bubba.